You're about to begin your classroom observations, so let's review what you're going to do as a classroom observer. You'll observe the teacher's lesson. You'll write down notes in class. After class, you're going to use these notes to complete in Excel your quantitative observation instrument. And finally, you'll meet with the teacher and provide feedback to this teacher. Let's go through each step individually. First of all, your position as a classroom observer. With your observation partner, you should sit on diagonally opposite ends of the classroom. This way, between the two of you, you'll compensate for each other's blind spots and you'll be able to take in the whole classroom. Next, each observer will fill in his or her observation form separately. Then, you and your partner observer will compare forms. You'll come to agreement, and together you will fill out a third, separate joint form. This is the form you'll use to talk to your teacher. Why do we do this? We do this to ensure greater inter-rater reliability. You'll then analyze the general data and present it to the teacher. You'll then go over specific disaggregated data with the teacher. So let's keep in mind a few guidelines for conducting good observations. You may in class want to keep a log of observations, in other words, writing down everything you see without screening or editing. Be aware that your prior experiences, backgrounds, values, and perhaps the novelty of being an observer will color what you see and record. Try to empty your mind when you observe. Start with the whole class and move to individual classroom components. Take in the whole class first, then separate components. Develop a system for observations. For example, you might want to focus on specific teacher activities, focus on teacher nonverbal behavior, then focus on student actions. Remember that we are shaped by critical incidents that we see in the classroom. Note down any of these and pay particular attention to them. Write them down and discuss them with your partner. And finally, remember the ethics of classroom observations. No interacting with the teacher and student during class. Be professional. No talking with other teachers about observations. Remember confidentiality. And above all, stay out of the teacher's way.